Hey guys, what is up everybody? Welcome to a new video. In this video I want to share with you the way how I make YouTube video thumbnails, and the reason why I want to share it with you because for most of the people it sounds like something really comprehensive, and then I went through my stats and I saw that click-through rate at some point varies between 10 and 15%, which is not bad actually for YouTube videos. And that's why in this video I just want to show you how do I make those thumbnails, so it might be useful to you and you can use it for your videos when you create videos and uploading them onto YouTube. So my biggest secret of how I make thumbnails is Canva application. Canva application is really handy tool for anyone who is doing any kind of graphic design and for anyone who doesn't have any skills. So basically this is, let's say, blank canvas, and I need to start with something, right? And number one thing which I want to start with is probably background. I'm going to photos because in Canva you have tab which called photos, and then let's say I want to talk about something technological, right? And then I'm looking for, let's say, Tokyo, because Tokyo town is one which I believe or I feel is technological city, right? At least in my imagination. And now I can see that there are so many pictures pop up on my request saying Tokyo. So let me choose something like this. So I choose this one and then I click right button and I choose replace background. So what I want to do, I want to blur it a little bit. So I click here, edit image. I go to picture settings, and here where you see blur, I put something like 25%. So now you can see that this image is blurred. Now I want to have some kind of like my motion on top of that, right? So I want to show you that I want to intrigue you with my emotion. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna upload any portrait photography of myself. In iPhone you have portrait mode on your camera and you can take a picture in portrait mode, right? But if you don't have an iPhone, you can use any kind of selfie for photo, or you can ask someone to take a picture of you on a camera. It doesn't need to be iPhone strictly, it can be anything, and I'll show you why. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go to edit image as well, and here you have function background remover. So I click here and Canva will remove background for me. So as you can see now I have my portrait here. I create a copy. And then I choose the previous picture, go to edit image. So I put brightness to the top, I put contrast to the top, I put saturation to the very minus, and then what I do blur. So blur 25%, and here you are. So you have some kind of blurring effect on your background. Let's say I want to speak about Apple Fitness, or I want to speak about Apple Watch, or some kind of application which you use on your iPhone. So I need to have this subject in a frame. So here I have pre-uploaded files which actually found online. So this is iPhone and also Apple Watch. But again, you can see it has white background, right? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go again, edit image, background remover. Now I have this subject which actually I want to talk about, right? And then I need to give you some kind of idea what this video is all about. So person sees me and like my emotion is kind of like concerning about something, and then you see the gadget, which I'm probably gonna speak about. And now I need to give you an idea what this video is all about. So I'm going here to text and say you can choose from, you know, presets. Let's say I choose this one, game on. Let me choose the size. Let's say it's 120 or even 100. And let's ask a question. Does it work? Right? Something like that. But I want to make it a little smaller, so maybe 80. Yeah. Does it work? So what's happening next is that person who is looking at my thumbnail sees iPhone, Apple Watch, and my question, does it work? And also my face with concern, like, is it really working? So what they want to do, they want to click onto this thumbnail and actually watch the video because they want to find the answer, does it really work? But here, as you can see, I'm actually not really happy with the colors because I can see that background is too bright. So instead of that, what I want to do, I want to fine tune it a little bit. And I'm going here into the pictures again, and I'm looking for a different image. Something which is not that bright, right? But same time, something which can separate subject and object on my thumbnail and make it more noticeable. Let's try to put it here. Maybe this one is better. So this can be one of the options how you can let's try another picture. Yeah, this picture is better. I click copy, paste, and I do same thing as which I did with my portrait. So I scale it a little bit, right? And then I go to edit image. I put brightness to maximum, contrast to maximum, saturation to minimum, and I blur it like 25%, say. I bring it back. So now you can see that iPhone is being highlighted a little bit. So it is highlighted, and basically this thumbnail can sell the idea. There is iPhone, there is Apple Watch, there is a question, does it work? And there is my face concerning about it. So that's how easily you can create clickable or engaging thumbnails for a video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope it's been helpful. If so, leave your comments below this video, like this video, and follow this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.